What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jillian back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we are going boat shopping. I'm at my dad's house right now. I'm about to get him. Want to say hey, Nori?
Hi.
Look in the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hey to the people. They miss you. They miss you.
How you doing? I'm back. I'm back in town. Back in town, drinking my Mountain Dew.
Make a pit stop to get something to eat because we ate all morning. Come in place with my daddy because he paid for everything.
That move, the other move.
They just got this one. They small like it did on
That's why I
yeah.
you had to go look at it.
Yeah.
You see a devil
This, oops. I don't want to break nothing. I don't know. I kind of like this one.
You kind of what?
I kind of like it. Oh.
There it is right there. What is that? What is that?
The screen's small, but I think you can order those things too.
Goddamn boat about 65 miles an hour. What you doing?
We want one that has the thing to where you can like see the fish. I'm assuming that's what this is, I'm sure. But the ones that I be seeing be bigger than this, so I don't know. And then they got this, which of course I like the red one better, but they honestly look the exact same. Well, this part is a little different. I think this one goes faster too, but I like the red one for sure. This is really pretty. We had looked it up online on their website. They did show this boat and the other one, but it just looked so much smaller on the pictures. But it's actually honestly bigger than the boat we got now, like way bigger. There's so much more space. This is nice. I like it. I don't know how much it is.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, come stand right here.
And do what?
Just take the picture. This is really nice. That's a live well. It's probably just storage. That's not storage.
That's the thing that covered up.
Covered.
That's what I was.
I think it's that wasn't it down there. Oh no, that's it. No. It's a pretty big live well.
How many live wheels is it?
That's not a live well, I don't think.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's a live wheel.
I don't know. I like this, but we don't know how much it is. We gotta go in and see. the Tracker Pro 170. I don't know if we're gonna get it, but this is the first one we see. Do we like it? I like it. And it's got a big motor, much bigger than the one that's on our old boat.
That's a 50.
I thought you said you don't like big motors.
I hope that's a 50 then. Ain't got I don't want that. That's a 50, that's what we want.
This one goes 65 miles per hour, and I think the one back there goes like 80. So it's a little fast, which we won't be going that fast, no way. But, okay, you want to go in and see the price? So my daddy just came and got me and told me to look in this camper because I told y'all we were going to be getting a camper soon. So I'm finna go in here and see. Here's the door. Go in here. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. It's the bathroom. The room with like I think that's a queen size bed. Yeah, this is nice. Carpet, table, the kitchen. Yeah. Microwave. This is really nice. Yep, I wouldn't mind going camping in this. Got the fireplace right here. Yep, that's cute. So we had went on the other side when someone came out, like we went and got help. And so somebody came out and helped us, and he showed us the price on the boats. I think the red one, I think he said was $23,000, and then the gray was 19, I think he said. And then he said that he had another one, so we went over there and saw the other one, which I don't think I recorded that, but it was the same as the red one, and it was red, but it was just a little bit smaller. It wasn't as long, and he did not have the price on that because he said it wasn't in the system yet. So now we're waiting on them to look in there and see how much that one is. So while we were waiting, my daddy came over here and looked at campers. But yeah, I like this one. Oh, and it got a screen door. Yeah, that one's nice. So let's see. Okay, he's talking to somebody. Let's see if we got a quote on that other boat. Let's see.
Husband and wife, they got into an argument. And the wife brought the boat in here and turned it in a voluntary repossession. And so they still have until the 9th. So they've got until the 9th to come in, redeem it, pay it all current, and get it back. If they don't, then it's fair game and it'll be put back in.
You said that you wanted a camper that had the thing on it, like not just the straight one, the one you hook on to the.
Well, it ain't make no difference. That
Whatever.
look just as nice as anything.
What was it called? You said you wanted.
Gooseneck.
Yeah, gooseneck one.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I imagine that other got 2 bedrooms. Then the one they look.
Did you look into these ones?
Hmm?
This one?
I didn't.
It's smaller.
It's smaller. You look at all of them. That nigga crazy.
Oh yeah, this one's smaller. Ooh.
Where's the name?
It's older too, cause like
Yeah.
you know, I mean it ain't bad, but oh, it got the 2 beds. It don't got a bedroom though, like the other one did. Yeah. Got 2 beds in the bathroom. Yeah, this ain't bad though, but the other one's definitely nicer.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I wonder what this is. There might be a bed, a pull-out bed. You think?
I
Maybe.
don't know who hooked it over there.
It's a. Yep, it is. It's a pull-out bed.
Move what you do? Just move this or something?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Sure am getting old. Alright, this is another one. It got a bedroom. This one got a bedroom. Ain't no bed in there, but. Ooh. Oh, it's the same as that one, but it got a bed, a bedroom, like a room. Yeah, it got the 2 beds. It's probably the bathroom. Yeah. This one ain't really that bad either, though, but the other one is definitely bigger.
I know it.
See, that's the one we just toured. They touring that one. Oh, that door broke. Okay. Ooh, I didn't like that. Yeah, this is the biggest one. I know.
I know it.
Oh.
Pull that up.
You. Oh.
Oh, you think? Yeah, you gonna fall in love with this.
This gonna be so expensive.
Yeah,
As long as you got it. Cause baby, I don't. Okay. Oh, this smells new. This smells new. Open the door. That's a. Oh yeah, it's the bedroom. There's a door over here to the bedroom too. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh yeah, this one is longer. A refrigerator, the other one on top of a refrigerator? Like big like this? Huh. Yeah. Plenty of seating area. Oh, this is probably the bathroom. Yeah. This is nice. Two twin beds. Another twin bed. It's probably a closet. Yep, closet. That's it. Somebody.
Yeah, hey, how you doing? We'll be out in a minute. What's this one?
Huh?
How did you get into that? Did this move? Or something?
I don't know. Is it like a pantry, a cabinet?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Everybody looking at them. What do you think?
This one is nice.
Hmm?
If we went like as a whole family with Nisha and her kids, and then me and Nora, we would definitely need something this big for everybody.
Huh?
For sure. It's so tiny though. Maybe some of this stuff probably, I don't know.
Too much, so small.
Yeah. Oh. This is cute. A refrigerator.
Look at it. Get the
Microwave. It's cute. It's a gas stove. All right. Yeah, this one is nice. This one got the heater too. Oh. Which one? Oh, it's smaller. Bedroom. This one just a little bit smaller though. Kitchen. Little seating area back here. Couch. Yeah, that's it. And this bathroom. In the bathroom. Oh, there's a door to the master bedroom thing. Okay.
We did all this shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Now this one is big too. Bedroom.
There's a bed here.
Yep. This is probably a closet. Yep. Oh, they got the shelves on that one. Their closet, pantry. They got what? Oh yeah. They don't have a stove. I mean, it is a stove. It's just a top two instead of a full stove and oven. They got the 2 beds and the bathroom. Mm. Got that for some privacy. Ooh. Okay, let's take a picture. Well, yeah, you see it.
Oh yeah. Where you gonna take pictures? Wait, say what? What you say?
Okay.
Nice lady.
I wanted to come on here and give y'all an update. We are on our way back home. We had to stop and get some gas. But there was another red boat that I did not show. It was the same exact boat as the last red one that I did show y'all, but it was just a little bit smaller. We're probably gonna get that one. The thing with that boat is he said that apparently somebody's wife or some lady came up there and bought the boat for her husband. They ended up getting into it, obviously, because she brought the boat back. And so now he was saying that they have until the 9th, I think it is, the 9th to come up there and get the boat or whatever. And then if they don't, then we can get it, or basically it'll be on the market to get on the 10th, which is next Monday, I think it is. So he told us to give him a call on the 9th. And then if, you know, he haven't heard from the owners, then that's when we can purchase the boat. But anyway, that's that. So I probably, if the boat is still available, I probably won't be with my daddy when he does go and get it. So because I'll be at work Monday. So whenever he does get it and I'm able to show it, I will show y'all. And yeah, that will be our boat. So I'm excited. Hopefully the lady don't come up there and get the boat back. But anyway, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos I post. And remember, Jesus loves you and so do I.